Can you really make money watching YouTube videos? If you are like me, you must have probably searched how to make money online on YouTube and must have come across videos like this saying that you can make $15 or more watching YouTube videos. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you evidence of whether it is true or false so that you don't waste your time. Still watching? Then let's go. Now, after running my research, I found that there are a lot of steps that need to be taken. The first one is to find a viral video, and we can get that on YouTube. All you need to do is to come on YouTube, which is youtube.com. Then you go to this part where it is written trendy. You click on it. All you need to do is to pick a video you know you can work with. Now we have sport here. So you can scroll down depending on what you want. This one is trending, although this match was played 4 days ago. And if you feel it will get a lot of attention, you can choose to go with it, or you can look for any other one that you feel people will want to watch. But for the purpose of this video, let's go with this one. So what you need to do is to copy the link of this particular video. You right click, copy link address. The next thing, you will come to this website, youtube-thumbnailgrabber.com. The purpose of this website is to download YouTube thumbnail. Then that link you copy, you will paste it here so as to download the thumbnail of that video. Click on get thumbnail image. Okay, so these are the images for different size. This one is for YouTube. This one is a smaller size. Then we have the smaller to the smallest. Depending on the one you want, you can choose to download this one. Let us go with this one here because we need it for Facebook or any other social media website. Now, before I proceed, the way this whole process works is that you are going to take this viral video and then you are going to put it on a website somewhere and actually hide it. Then you are going to tell people about it, and if people want to watch the video, they will have to click a special link that you got from that website where you hid the viral video. If they click that link, then you are going to get paid some amount of money. That is how you actually make money from this whole process. You are not going to be earning money watching videos. You are going to be earning money when people watch your videos. Let me show you the rest of the process. So let's download this particular image. Okay, it is done. Then you head over to this website. This is where you will get the link that will be making you money. The name of the website is shrinkme.io. Before we proceed, let's check out the website. So in this website, they help you shorten your URL and you earn money from it. Highest paying URL shortener, join now and earn up to 220 for 10,000 views. The first thing you will need to do is to sign up. Like they said, sign up bonus is $1, which is true. This is my account with them and this is $1 here. So available balance is $1. I just need $4 more to be able to request for withdrawal. But what you need to do is to first sign up, have your account, then you paste that YouTube video link here. So this is the link. When you have done that, you click on this one so as to get the magic link that will be making you money. Okay, so here we have it. Then all you need to do is to copy it. After you have gotten the magic link, the next thing you need to do is to promote this link. You can post it on any social media platforms that you have an account with. Here is a sample depending on the video you want to promote. So I am talking about sport. It's a football match. So let me first of all use the thumbnail first for this post. Let me bring in the picture. Here is the image. I will put it here. Okay, now here we have the image. I will have to include a caption. Let's say this is a Manchester versus Liverpool match. So I can see something like, check out the amazing highlight of the last match. Man United versus Liverpool. Click the link below to watch the highlight and feel the energy. Then this is the link, and the link that I took from that website, shrinkme.io, and this is the thumbnail. You know, post with image on social media do get more reach than post without image, and it's better to include image because sites like Facebook do include thumbnails, and you don't want it to be showing other things outside the thumbnail of the football match. So This is why you have to include pictures so people can have an insight of what they are about to watch. Then after that, you just post it and you get paid when someone are exposed to the ads in this link. Let me show you what will be seen if someone click the link. Let me show you. So let's paste the link here and click enter. Let's see what's going to show. As you can see, I don't think I can even access the main video. It is redirecting me to another ad again, all over again. So at the end of the day, people are not going to get the video, but they will still end up clicking those ads and engaging with those ads. And when they do, you make money. You can see what is showing up. I can't get the video. I have tried all means to get the video, but I can't still get the video. So this is how you make money using this method. So there you have it. The more people click on your link, the more money you make, whether they watch the video or not. But you know, a lot of people on their mobile phone have this pop-up blocker. So not everybody will have that. Even though some have that, they will still engage with the ad. Don't forget, the first thing you need is a viral video. A video you know will get a lot of people attention. That is the first thing you need. And when you have gotten that video, the next thing you need is a thumbnail. And every video on YouTube has a thumbnail. This is where you now come to this website, YouTube Thumbnail Grabber, which help you get any thumbnails that you need for a particular video. After you have done that, then you come to this website to change your link from ordinary link to a money paying link. So these are just the three process. The more people interact with your link, the more money you make. All right. If you are still asking what are the best way to make money online as a beginner for free, I will advise that you watch the video displaying on the screen right now. In that video, I shared 3 legit online businesses that can be giving you daily income, and you don't need to pay any money to get started. Go check out the video right now.